So let's talk about the money thing for a little bit. Like, there aren't ever things you just wish, like, damn it, I want to buy that. I want to have that. I want to experience that. Maybe the answer is no. I'm just curious.
So, I mean, we have a more expensive rent now.
Mm-hmm.
I bought a more expensive laptop, but that seems sensible.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm spending more now because I'm making more, but I'm
Right.
comfortable with that. I don't know,
Mm.
like what would be an example of like
Yeah. Yeah.
something like
No,
a
I,
house? Me and my wife have like zero desire, like,
which is fine. Right. I think that
but
one,
that saves us an enormous amount of money.
yeah, I think that one is for those paying attention are okay with, they're starting to understand that. Right.
Yeah.
I'll give you an example. One of my favorite things, absolute favorite things in the world to do is golf. Like, it just is.
Yeah.
I get immense pleasure from it.
But that's not that expensive.
It's pretty expensive, you know?
Okay.
Well, and let me just take it one step further, because this is where my mind goes, and this is where there's a problem. I want to join this country club. Okay.
Yeah.
It's one of the most expensive country clubs. Like, it just is. I don't know if I'll ever be able to, but I would really like to. And so those are the kind of unnecessary things that I'm trying to determine.
But that's like
yeah,
what Ramit Sethi talks about. That's like your rich life.
Yeah.
Like
right.
that's a thing like where I would just go spend money on that. That's what gives you satisfaction, right?
Right.
Deduct it as part of your business expense.
Right. So is your philosophy, be very intentional? Is that it? It's an intentionality?
Yeah, we spend a lot on like travel, and like a lot of our decisions like don't make sense, right? Like we've had an apartment at times, and then I would spend like $3,000 for a month of a rental in another country.
Mm-hmm.
But that's my rich life, right? And I also have the confidence that I can flex down if my income goes down. I'd still be happy.
So I'm noticing, Paul, like it's not, I knew this, right? It's not formulaic at all, but it is almost entirely a mentality of purposeful decision making.
Yeah.
Removing oneself from an outcome. Almost. I mean, something like that.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't have any goals.
Okay.
I just want to like keep the game going.
Nice.
There's no like financial or material or outcome goals. And like I have 7 years of confidence I can make money too.
Of course.
And like I've had insane amounts of success in the last 2 years.
Nice.
So I'm able to like spend a little more and not worry about things. You're assuming that like I've solved my financial worries. I worry about money all the time. I don't know what I'm going to make money doing in a few years. I don't know what it's going to look like with kids. I don't know how we're going to afford schools or moving bigger place. I don't know. But like that is not the emotion I want to be shaping my life strategy from. Right?
Pause. Paul. Okay. I don't know how I'm going to make money in the future. That's it. Yeah. The reason I'm pausing you, that is a question that every single person listening asks themselves, unless they're loaded. For those that want to understand, start moving towards your philosophy,